So I wanted to talk for just a couple of minutes about GDPR. This is not sort of an official everything about GDPR message. It's more just a special message to my fellow backup folks. If you're not worried about GDPR, then I want you to be worried about GDPR, because if you're an American company that thinks that it's not, you're not subject to it, then check again. And let me just talk about that for a minute. So you are subject to GDPR, and more importantly, particular data items are subject to GDPR if the data comes from a European Union subject that was targeted by your company. So if you have a marketing campaign into Germany and or you have a German website, and then that person responded to and filled out a form on your website, that data is subject to GDPR. GDPR requires your company to have what's called a data protection officer, right? DPO. So imagine your DPO, which is typically going to be in legal. They come to you and they say, we need to find everything we have on this person. That includes primary storage and secondary storage, and then we need to delete it. For a moment right now, just imagine how you're going to satisfy that request. If you're running a typical backup system, I think the answer is you're not going to be able to right now. So I just want you to start the dialogue. If you haven't started the dialogue with your backup software company, with your backup service company, and ask them what their plans are. Chances are very few of them are going to have a full answer or be fully ready to help you comply with GDPR by May, but you really need to start having this conversation today because the fines are huge. It's 4% of your annual revenue, or 20 million euros, whichever's greater. If that doesn't scare you, I don't know what will. So just make sure you're talking to your backup software or service people and asking them how they're going to help you comply with GDPR.